Hello friends, welcome back to Swagyama, and today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to make Padavalanga or snake gourd stir fry. To prepare this recipe, firstly we are going to take one medium or large size snake gourd and scrape the outer layer of it with the help of a knife. Wash the snake gourd well and slit it from the center and de-seed them. Later chop them into fine pieces. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into it. Later add half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed and the finely chopped Poddale into it. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dried chili powder and salt as per taste and mix everything well. Now add 1/4 cup of water and close this with a lid and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes in medium to high flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure it's uniformly cooked. Now your delicious Padwal is ready. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut and mix well. This can be had as a side dish along with rice, chapathi or roti. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swagyama in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.